They are some of the biggest projects in the city of Chicago at the moment. The St. Regis Chicago and Lakeshore East, NEMA Chicago in the South Loop, and Rush NAB in the Medical District. All unique projects in their own right, all being worked on by the talented and experienced electrical contractors and highly trained union electricians at Gurtz Electric Company in Arlington Heights, one of the many electrical contractors that recognizes the value of a skilled union labor workforce. Gurtz Electric is in its 90th year, and Mallory Gurtz, fourth generation in the family business, is Chief Operating Officer. Mallory believes that the long track record of providing value and expertise is what sets Gurtz apart from the competition.
So customers choose us because of our continued dedication to providing them with projects that are not only on schedule, but also with electricians that take pride in their craftsmanship and work and allow them to have an overall positive experience from start to finish.
The investment in training provided to the members allows for a unique opportunity in that the skills gained on the various job sites allow for a valued perspective to assist management. From pre-construction to design and engineering, to the design build, to working with architects, to the actual construction on site. Tim Moylan is Gurtz's third generation design development director, and he believes this kind of expertise and value is why their clients keep coming back to them time after time.
Well, I think this industry is built on relationships. Gurtz has been doing this for 90 years. I've been in it for 20 years.
But according to Moylan, who also trains the next generation of electricians, believes it's much more than that.
So the training that I can provide at the school, that all the teachers can provide at the school, and all of our field is getting a 5-year training coming up into the program. So that makes union labor stand out against all other labor that's out there, just the background training that we're giving with IBEW.
We're doing this because we care about our employees, we care about them getting home safe to their family every day, and that's been demonstrated in the apprenticeship training program as well. They've done a tremendous job of raising that bar, as we all have.
It's all part of being a signatory contractor, hiring union electricians to help solve some of the most pressing electrical issues.
So I think that partnership is extremely important to us, because it allows the fluidity between the union and the contractors. It's important for us to both be on the same page and have the same goals in mind.